Hey, I'm Eddie.
And I'm Jenn.
And today we're going to show you how to make
a keto low-carb taco casserole.
And you're going to join us as of right now.
Okay, you want to preheat your oven at 425, so that's where it's going to cook at. You're going to need 3 pounds of hamburger. You're going to need 8 eggs, a 2-pound bag of fine shredded mild cheddar cheese, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. You'll need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 4 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then you'll also need some taco salsa and some sour cream. And then if you like shredded lettuce, you can use lettuce, but that's like your go at like almost the end of the cooking. And don't forget, you'll need a casserole dish because it's for a family of 6. And don't forget you're gonna need a spatula, a whip, and tablespoon measuring.
And let's not forget the olive oil
To spray your casserole dish with. And then you're gonna add your mild cheddar cheese and layer the bottom of your casserole dish to where you can't see it, because that's gonna be your crust. You'll need 8 eggs. And then you're going to break up and whip the eggs. Make sure you break them really good. You're going to need 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. You pour it in with your eggs and whip. You're going to whip it together really good. Make sure it's all whipped up. I already pre-mixed all those seasonings together in this bag here. You're going to take 1 tablespoon of it and you're going to mix it in with your egg and heavy whipped cream, and you're going to whip that all together. The next thing is you're going to take those and you're going to mix it all into your cheese, because that's going to be a part of keeping your cheese together crust. And you're going to mix it all in really well. Make sure it's all leveled out really good. You're going to walk it over to the oven, stick it in. Put it in there for 25 minutes. Set your timer for 25 minutes. One pack of seasoned taco seasoning, if you prefer it, on the hamburger. And then 3 tablespoons of salsa to mix in with it. Mix it together until it's fully mixed. And then when it's all done, then set it aside until your crust is finished. Don't forget, when you go to check on it, if you see bubbles, to pop them. There you go. And then put it back in, leave it in for the last 1 minute. Don't forget to drain your hamburger after it is done. And then place it on top of your crust. Then add your cheese on top of it, layer it out really good. And then that's going to go in the oven until it melts.
And this is what it looks like once the cheese is melted.
The sour cream on top of it, and if you have lettuce, that's when you add your lettuce, your salsa, and anything else in there. Let it cool off and enjoy it. If you guys like that video, that is basically a ketogenic or Atkins diet. It's low in carb. I hope you enjoy.
And if you like other videos like that, please let us know in the comments below. Or if you have something that you would like for us to try, also let us know in the comments below.
Please like and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that notification bell.